It definitely wasn't just compounding. Investing your money is a great idea, but when you're starting with low amounts, it's going to take a long time for you to reach $1 million or more. So here's what I did instead. I created a wealth ecosystem. A wealth ecosystem consists of 5 components. The 5th and the most important component is something I didn't have for the first 7 years of my journey, and it's the reason why it took me so long to make my first million. It is also the reason why there are so many influencers with millions of followers who are broke. Number 1 is compounding. Number 2 is expertise. You need to become an expert in something. Number 3 is authority. You can gain that by writing a book on your expertise. Number 4 is influence. Your expertise and authority is going to help you gain influence among the people you're helping. This doesn't mean you need millions of followers. Even if there are 100 or 1,000 people who trust your expertise, you already have influence over them. Number 5 is an offer. I share the details on how anybody can form a wealth ecosystem here in my new book, $1 Million Family Secrets. So make sure to like and follow.